Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by drawing a straight horizontal line and marking the origin as 0. This anchors every number. Next, choose a clear scale. For example, 1 tick equals 1 unit or 1 tick equals 0. 5 and commit to it. Make evenly spaced ticks to the right for positive numbers and to the left for negative numbers. Once done, label a few obvious ticks like 1, 2, -1, -2 to check spacing. Make sure to keep tick spacing equal, so distances represent numeric differences accurately. You now place specific numbers. For integers, count ticks from 0, 3 is the third tick right, -2 is the second tick left. For halves or decimals like 1/2 or 0. 5, find the midpoint between two consecutive ticks, or redefine the scale so each tick equals 0. 5. For thirds and other fractions, partition 1 unit into equal parts, convert to a common denominator if needed so you can mark 1/3, 2/3 precisely. Once positioned, lightly label each point to avoid confusion. Finish by labeling each plotted point clearly and adding arrows at both ends so the line implies continuation. Use closed dots for included values and open dots for excluded ones when showing inequalities. Shading a region highlights a solution set. Once done, double-check distances from 0, the number's placement equals its sign distance. If something looks wrong, pause, remeasure tick spacing, confirm your scale, then move and relabel points. This troubleshooting step fixes most placement errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.